Hi everyone, welcome back. I have something in this beautiful box to show you. Would you like to know what's in here?
Yes.
I need your help, okay? So, let's see if we can figure out what's in here first. Can you listen? Do you have a guess of what's in the box? Let me open it up. I think you're gonna like what's in here. But you need to help me. We're gonna count what's in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. You counting with me? 5, 6. That's a different one. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count those again, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But guess what? There are still some more cars in this box. So let's keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, one more, 20. We have 20 cars. Maybe we should count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Which car do you like the best? Do you like this one the best? Or do you like this one the best? They're all so different. I think my favorite is this one. Kind of looks like a zebra. Wait, I forgot something. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. But wait a second. There were a bunch of cars right here. Remember we counted 20 cars? Where did they go? I mean, they couldn't just drive off. Did someone come take them? Were you watching? I guess I better go find my 20 cars. See you next time. Bye-bye.